In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Chase Bank app login problem. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you can do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And if it doesn't work, you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check for the Chase server status. You can simply go ahead and head into Down Detector and search for Chase, which will go ahead and show you if there is any problem with the Chase servers. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and head into your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and click on the update button if any update is available, because updates generally make you face that problem. The other thing could be checking in your credentials. So make sure that you have entered the right user ID and password. If not, change it. You can also clear cache if you're on an Android device. And if not, you can simply go ahead and force close and restart your application. If your account is locked, then you can simply go ahead and contact the Chase support in order to go ahead and fix that problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment